Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a 3D graph in HTML and only CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share off friend, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe it and all to the notification bell. More come this video is awesome. Okay, so I will not take your long time. So let's start. So now first of all I will go to the here, and here I will open my text editor, Sublime text editor. Okay, so enter press. So my Sublime text editor is open it. I will edit this all things, and now no. And here I will go to there, and there I will click new file, and only one file because I am only using index.html file. Here I will write index.html. So here I will enter. So here is coming index HTML already exists. Do you want to replace? Mean that you can replace it or not? I will yes replace it. You can no replace it. Yes, I will replace it. So I will side by side because you are a beginner level. So I will side by side, and here we can done. Now here till here my work is done. Here I will go, and here I will write HTML. You have brackets, so you can shift and one you can tab, so it has come. But I will write HTML, then tab. In Sublime it is come. So here I will write horizontal graph, bar graph in HTML in CSS. So till here my work is done. So I will go to the here. Here I will write link. Sorry, all not link because it is not. So here I will go, and here I will write easily H1 and H1 tab. So two times tab, you have brackets text editor, you can only one time tab. Okay, so I will H1, so I will tab it. So now here we can go, and here I will make bar graph, and here I will write bar graph. You can make like night and day or toggle. You can write here. I will write bar graph because I will making up bar graph. So here I will save here, and it is coming easily to the here bar graph. Here you can see it. Here my bar graph is coming. So now till here my work is done. So here I will go to the down, and here I will define a style and tab two times and erase this only, and here I will enter press, and here I will go, and here I will write easily as font family Sulbimon Shirat Sans Serif. Save to the here, refresh. So it is font is done. So till here my work is done. So here I will go to the down, and here his name is H1. Here you can see it. So I will define H1, and here I will write easily as text align should be center. Save here, refresh. So it is on center. Here you can see it easily as here it is come to the center. So now till here my work is done. Here bar graph, you can give him hover, so I will give him hover. H1 should be hover. You have H2, you can give H2 should be hover. I have it is H1, and here I will write color should be red, and save here, refresh. So I will hovering, so it is coming to the red. Here you can see it, and here I will go to there, and his opacity should be 50 pixels. Save here, refresh. So it is done. So here you can see it. So now till here my work is done. So I will go to the here, and here I will write Google, and here I will write bar graph. So here's come many images of bar graph. You can pick any image of bar graph. So I will pick like. So it is coming many bar graph images. So I will pick. I will pick like that. No. So it is no. Oh, it is also no. So I will pick like that. No. Here I will go to the down. So I will go to the up, and here I will pick this image. I will see you. I will go to the up and up. Go to the down. So it is come to the bar graph image. So I will pick not this. It is I will pick like, no, it is also not good. So I will go to the up. So I like this. No, it is so. It is go to the up and I will pick like fit with. No, here. You can pick any image. So I will pick like here I will pick to the up. So we can go to the up and I will pick this image. And here I will write save image. PNG, yeah. So it is downloaded and here his name should be graph. Sorry, here you can write bar graph. You can give any name and you can make sure it is PNG or JPG. Here might is PNG. So I will go to the here and now here we can go and now here I will go to the here and here I will go to the here and here I will write background image URL should be bar graph dot png. Save here, refresh. It is not come, so I will see bar graph. So I will pick his name, copy it, go to the here, and I will see because it is not come. I will go to the here. Here we can paste to here bar graph dot png and save here, refresh. It will not come because here background image URL erase to the here and here I will go and here I will write a image and here its name should be bar graph should be .png save here, save to the here, refresh. So my picture is come easier to the here but it is not fit and not like good, so I will go to the here and here I will define a class will be div class will be container. Sorry, here I will not define a class. Here I will go to the here control Z. So I will go to the here I will write img and here I will write text align shall be center. Save here, refresh. So it is come to the center or not, but here I will go to the here. So it is done over till here, but it is not aligned to in center. So here I will write .img, save, refresh. So text align should be centered. And here I will write padding. Padding should be 25 pixels. Save here. And here I will go refresh. So it is done. No. Here I will zoom it. So here till here my work is done. Here you can see it. Easily my picture is come to the here. Here you can see it. I will easily make my how to build the bar graph in horizontal bar graph in HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.